Are you someone who struggles with hair grease? Does it weigh your hair down, make your hair dry, or even cause buildup? Well, if you answered yes, then this video is for you. Keep watching. What's up curlies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiki, and if you are new here, I do all things curly hair tips, product reviews and styling. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the reason why grease does not work for you. So let's get straight into the video. The first reason why grease may not work for you is your hair is fine and low density. So what do I mean by fine and low density? Fine hair just means that the hair circumference is smaller than a normal person's hair type, or maybe a coarser person's hair type, and the density refers to the amount of hair on your head. If you have low density hair, you may be able to see your scalp, and your ponytail may be quite small in circumference in comparison to other people you have seen. This just means that products weigh down your hair very easily, and grease may not be the best option for you if your hair is low density and fine. I would just maybe be careful with the amount you use so that you do not weigh your hair down too much. The second reason why grease does not work for you is that you easily get buildup. And the simplest way to combat that is just make sure that you are clarifying your hair and using shampoo on a regular basis. If you do not use shampoo to get rid of that grease, then your hair is going to get built up. Naturally, throughout the week as curly girls, we would apply products over and over to our hair after wash day. We may apply them 2, 3 or even 4 times a week depending on how dry our hair is, and naturally our hair does get built up with the amount of products that we apply. However, it is no different to grease. If you apply grease on your hair, then expect to get build-up, but then when it comes to wash day again, you need to make sure that you are shampooing your hair to remove all of the build-up, and that just goes for any product. I would recommend, if you are using grease and you're not using it within a protective style that you're wearing for quite a few weeks, that you do shampoo your hair at least every 7 to 10 days to get rid of that buildup and make sure your hair gets the correct moisture and hydration that it needs. The third and final reason why grease does not work for you is that you're just not using it correctly. There is definitely a way you should wear grease, and it is definitely not wetting your hair out of the shower and then applying the grease and leaving it. That is probably the worst thing you can do. Grease is a product that seals in moisture. It doesn't provide you moisture, it just seals anything that you have on your hair in, and it forms a barrier from anything else getting out or other things getting into your hair. So the correct way to use it is you shampoo, you condition, you apply a leave-in or a moisturizer or a cream-based product. After you've applied that, you then go ahead and put your grease on top to seal in all of that moisture. Then you can also reapply throughout the week, but just bear in mind that you have already created that barrier, so anything you add on is going to be limited in terms of the penetration to the hair strands. So that is why I always say make sure to keep your shampoo days regular and make sure you know how to use grease to your benefit. It can be a really, really good product if you know how to use it, but if you don't know how to use it, your hair is most likely going to be dry, it most likely will get built up, and you're not going to experience anything positive from it. Hope you enjoyed this short but snappy video on why grease doesn't work for you, and subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all of my new videos. If you want to see how I use grease in my hair care regimen, just click the card above and I will see you in the next one.